Welcome to the class, children. Today we are going to see the topic Unit 7 Pros Cyber Safety Book Back Exercise. Okay, Unit 7 Cyber Safety. So, first, choose the correct synonyms for the italicized words. First question, I was really scared. Okay, answer frightened. Scared, frightened. Second question, let us browse about it. Browse, answer, surf. Third one, there is a chance to get addicted. Answer, accustomed. Addicted, accustomed. Fourth one, we can't ignore the benefits of internet. Benefits, answer, favorable. Benefits, favorable. Fifth one, she gathered the information from the internet. Answer, collect. Gathered, collect. Next, choose the correct antonyms for the italicized words. First one, the explosion had weakened the building's foundation. So, weakened, answer, strengthen. Second one, a stranger was roaming around the street. Stranger, opposite, well known. Stranger, answer, well known. Third one, Vairavan is having a spot of bother with law. Answer, worry. Bother, worry. Fourth question, he asked the manager to improve the facility in the hall. Improve, comfort. Improve, comfort. Fifth one, a good diet is beneficial to health. So, beneficial, answer, harmful. Beneficial, harmful. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, internet is a great tool where one can gather dash information. Internet is a great tool where one can gather information. Second one, Gladden is gathering information for his science project. Gladden is gathering information for his science project. Third one, children should use internet wisely. Children should use internet wisely. Fourth one, we should keep our personal details dash in the internet. Very private. We should keep our personal details very private in the internet. So fifth one, we should not get addicted to mobile phone. We should not get addicted to mobile phone. Next, true or false? First one, Gladden's mom knew how Scrooge works. Answer, false. Second one, we use internet to gather information and gain knowledge. Answer, true. Third one, Ronnie was frightened of an online predator. Answer, true. Fourth one, strangers don't misuse your information. Answer, false. Fifth one, do not give your name, address, telephone numbers to the strangers. Answer, true. Sixth one, too much of anything is good for nothing. Answer, true. Too much of anything is good for nothing. Answer, true. Now we'll see the vocabulary part. Now, British English, American English. Okay, in British, touch, American English, flashlight. British English, mobile phone, American English, cell phone. In British English, bin, American English, trash can. In British English, lorry, American English, truck. Now, find the suitable British or American English word and fill in the following. Flat, apartment. Okay, in flat, British English, flat, American English, apartment. In British English, lift, American English, elevator. In British English, petrol, American English, gasoline. In British English, chips, American English, French fries. British English, biscuits, American English, cookie. British English, holiday, American English, vacation. Okay, so flat, apartment. Lift, in British, American, elevator. British English, petrol, American English, gasoline. In British English, chips. American English, French fries. In British English, biscuits. American English, cookie. In British English, holiday. American English, vacation. Okay, here spelling differences with American and British. Okay, so in British English, skillful, skillful. American English also skillful, but spelling differs, skillful. So in British, check, cheque, check. So in American also check, but spelling check. In British English, program, programme. In American English, program, program. Next, dialogue in British English, dialogue. Dialogue in American, dialogue, dialog. Okay. Next, find the suitable British or American English spelling and fill in the following. First one, apologize. Apologise in British. American English also apologize, but spelling differs. Apologize. Okay, next, judgment. 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 In American, judgment. So no E. Okay. Next, neighbor. Neidhbor. Neighbor. In American also neighbor, but spelling differs. Neighbor. Neighbor. Dreamt. Dreamt. In British. American, dreamed. Dreamed. In British, aeroplane. 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 In American, airplane. 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 Next, pluff. Plough. Pluff. In British, Plow. In American. Okay, normally we'll follow only the British English. Okay, ma. Thank you. Kindly note down the answers on your textbook. Okay, thank you.